In this video, we will guide you through how to make a teleportation GUI in Roblox Studio. And if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, just go ahead and insert a part. Just click on part to insert a part, and so basically this is going to be the location that the players will teleport to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and customize it a little, and once you have done that, just go ahead and place it where you want the players to teleport to. Let's say I'm going to place it somewhere far away, like so. And once that you have done that, you can go ahead and rename your part in the workspace. So just right click on it and choose to rename. So rename it exactly like PART and 1 and hit enter. After renaming your part, just head over to Starter GUI. Just click the plus button on the Starter GUI and add a screen GUI. And after adding screen GUI, just click on the plus icon once again and add a text button. And you can move this text button to your liking, and you can even resize it like so. And once that you have this in the desired location, just go to the properties tab and just go to the rich text, and just below the rich text you can give it a name. So I'm just gonna name it such as return to lobby and hit enter. And now we're going to go ahead and choose the text color. I'm just going to go with something like red and click on OK and increase the text size. And you can preview it here also. Now, after configuring these settings, just go to text button and click on the plus icon and add a local script. Now, inside the local script, just press Ctrl A to and backspace to delete all and paste this code exactly. Now, I'm going to leave this code in the description. Once everything is ready, just click on play to preview it. So I'll just wait for it to load. And as you can see, you get this return to lobby button. So now when I just click on it like so, you will see we will be successfully teleported. And that's it. We have successfully created a working teleportation in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.